Hey everyone, we're down here in the Terasina community of South Temecula on Mandarin Way, checking out my beautiful 5-bedroom, 3-bath home at over 3,800 square feet. Let's go check it out. What I love most about this home is the open floor plan feel with this huge great room where everybody can gather. There's even a downstairs bedroom next to a 3/4 bath. The other 4 rooms are upstairs with a spacious loft, and the master has a beautiful retreat with mountain views. Check out this stunning chef's kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a 5-burner gas range, a double oven, a walk-in pantry, this huge center island with tons of seating around the edge, and these beautiful granite countertops. This property has beautiful tile wood flooring, plantation shutters, crown molding, and it has upgraded wooden doors throughout the whole property. This gorgeous home sits on a 1/4 acre on a corner lot. It's definitely pool-sized, as you can see. There's no neighbor to the side, which gives you great views, and the landscaping is drought tolerant, which requires minimal water and minimal maintenance. Get a load of this exquisite master bath with beautiful countertops, dual sinks, separate makeup vanity area, glass enclosed shower, huge soaking tub, and check out this massive his and hers closet. This home also boasts the spacious 3-car tandem garage, its own solar system, a tankless water heater, and a whole house fan to keep you cool in the summer. Hey, thanks so much for taking the time to check out my awesome new listing here in South Temecula. If you have any questions at all or would like to schedule a private tour, just reach out.